Morning guys, so right now you guys, we just did big shop, you guys. Yes, we did a big shop because we were low on food, so yeah, we did a big shop. Guys, so right now you guys, I am at the laundromat, so we are just getting some laundry done. Hopefully we can get some done today, and then probably tomorrow we're gonna do some laundry, so that is gonna be projects that are gonna be happening tomorrow too. Don't know, I haven't decided yet, so talk to you guys when we in the laundromat. Hey guys, we are watching. What are we watching?
Peter Rabbit.
Yeah, so that's what we are doing.
By the way, guys, I'm not dead. I'm just very ill.
Everyone's ill.
Just enough time. Look at him. Pure evil. Even cuts grass angry. Hey, here's a crazy thought. What if we don't go in?
Well, I'm gonna end today's video, but we are watching Hotel Transylvania. I can't say.
Hotel Transylvania.
Yeah, so that's what we are watching. So I'm gonna end today's video. I hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up. Goodbye.